This is Pink Creeper's growing up story. Let's open it. Wow! Which one should we open first? Oh. We should open it. It's a girl! Wow! A bottle of milk. Good.
Ooh.
Let's clean this up.
Great job!
You're so cute. Let's take a bath.
Thank you.
That's not all. Wow. A few little cubes for Baby Creeper. Let's make some baby food.
Nice! Yes!
Come here. Is that you?
Oh no!
There you are.
Let's go!
Sweet dreams, baby.
Bye!
Wow. Which blind bag should we open next? Oh. What's inside? Let's open it.
Wow! Wow!
What's this?
Wow!
Thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. What a cute backpack.
Wow!
Let's put it in the bag. We did it!
Nice!
Hello.
It's for you!
Thank you. Wow.
I'll put it right here. Decorate!
Great job! Bye! Wow! Yes!
This is gonna be something fun!
Wow!
Hello. Aww.
Let's glow you up! New hairstyle!
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yay! Next step, makeup.
Go!
Yes!
You're a beauty.
What? Wow.
That really suits you.
Great job.
Thank you!
Oh my!
Let's do your nails. Come here.
Oh my god.
I'll help you.
Good.
Wow.
You are gorgeous. Let's add some color.
Nice.
But it's a bit boring.
Yes.
I have something for you. Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you very much!
You're a cool girl. We did it.
Hello!
How sweet.
Hmm? Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Hmm?
Oh.
Let's try on your new outfit.
Yes. Wow.
Hello!
Your look turned out super cool.
Yes!
Great job.
Thank you!
Your turn.
Wow.
Hello.
Hi. What a great couple.
Thank you!
I'm so happy for you.
Wow.
Let's open the final blind bag.
Wow.
Hello!
This is a cruise liner. You're so cute.
Bye.
Wow.
Hmm?
Let's go.
We did it!
Bye.